Hey guys, welcome back. This time we are going to work more towards worksheet in the next couple of videos. Till now we were working on the entire Excel workbook. Now individually we'll be working on the worksheets. Worksheets are the various sheets that are available in Excel in which you add your data. So the first thing that you will always do is create a worksheet. That's more important. Now there are various ways. There are three ways rather in which you can create new sheets. So if you want to create a new worksheet, then what you can do is you can go to the sheets which are available here down, and you have this plus option. Yes, you have this plus circle button, which will help you to add new worksheet. So if I click on this plus button, there is a new worksheet that will automatically get added besides your active worksheet. So I just click on this plus button and a new worksheet has added just beside the one which has been currently selected. So if my current worksheet is sheet 1, which I've selected and try plus on plus, there is a new worksheet that gets added between sheet 1 and sheet 2. Just look at the sheets. So you see sheet 9 has been added between sheet 1 and sheet 2. Yeah, I just delete this. The second option, the first was using the plus button. The second option that you have towards inserting or creating a new worksheet is right click on any of the sheets. Yeah, right click on any of the sheets and you have this insert option. Click on insert and you will get an option to insert worksheet. Yeah, this is the worksheet option that you need to select and click on OK. Again, I'll show you. This is the worksheet option that you need to select and yeah, and I'll press OK. You can see a new worksheet has been added besides sheet 1, but this is created prior to sheet 1. The previous one which we used by using plus button, it created the new sheet after the one which is active. Yeah. So this has been created just before that active sheet. Again, we'll try to create a sheet before sheet 7. I'll just click on sheet 7. I'll click on insert and click on worksheet and say OK. So you can see there is a sheet 11 been added before sheet 7. So we saw two ways. First is through the plus button, which is available. Second is through right clicking on sheet and using the insert command. Third is so the third option that you need to see for inserting a sheet is through the home tab. So if you click on this home tab, you will find an option to insert. Yeah, here. Yeah. Once you click on the arrow which is next to insert, you will get an option to insert sheet. So as soon as you click on insert sheet, there is a new sheet which is added before sheet 11. I'll do it once again. Just have a look at sheet 12, which is here. So this is sheet 12 here. Let's add new sheet, which will add sheet 13 just before sheet 12. Yeah, so I'll click on insert arrow, which is next to it, and click on insert sheet, and you'll see insert sheet 13 being added to sheet 12. So these are the three ways. So the first way we saw was through the plus button, which is available next to the sheets. Second is by right clicking on individual sheet and inserting the sheet. Third is from the home tab, which is available. Fourth, but that is the most important that I want your people to remember, is by using keyboard. Once again, I am stressing on the point of using keyboard, where you use Shift F11. So you need to use a combination of keys, that is Shift and F11 to enter a sheet or insert a sheet. So here I have inserted Sheet 14. Again, I'll show you. There is a new sheet that will be added, sheet 15, just before Sheet 14. Just have a look at the sheets that are available. I am pressing Shift in a combination with the function key, that is F11, and a new sheet will be added. So the sheet 15 is added. So there are four ways in which I have showed you how you can insert sheet within or create a new worksheet. First was by the plus button, which is available beside the sheet. Second is by right clicking on the sheets and inserting a worksheet. Third is from the home tab by using the insert command from the cells group. Fourth, and the most important, by using keyboard, using the shortcut key Shift F11 to insert a new blank worksheet. Yeah. Hope you understood how to create new worksheets within Excel through various methods. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you have any concerns or if you have any views on the video. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such informative videos or all my 365 days of Excel videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.